Assalamualaikum students. Today we are also doing the review exercise of chapter number 12. Name of the chapter is hydrocarbon and this chapter is in the chemistry syllabus for the 10th class. In this video we are discussing the part 4th of question number 2 and question number 3. Question number Part 4 of question number 2. How can you differentiate ethane from ethene? First of all, whenever we have to do the differentiation, we should have differentiation through column. We should differentiate in column wise. And second point, in order to get maximum or in order to get good marks, we should write at least 3 points in each column. So here we are also doing the same procedure. We must draw the column between ethane and ethene and write three points for getting maximum or for getting good marks. In case of ethane, we have a definition. Ethane is a saturated hydrocarbon having carbon-carbon single bond, and the formula of ethane is C2H6. In case of ethene, ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon having carbon-carbon double bond, and its formula is C2H4. Then second point is bromine test. Both of they are reacting with the bromine, but bromine is less reactive as so in order to react with ethane it requires high temperature or strong sunlight to react with ethane. But when bromine react with ethene, we can say that when bromine water is added to an ethene, the reddish brown color disappear, and the decolorization of bromine water is frequently used as a sample test for the presence of unsaturation. Both of these are the 2 points for our differentiation. At the third point, we should write the reaction, and here in case of ethane we must write the halogenation in a strong sunlight, and we as a result we are getting 2 carbon atoms and 6 HBr. But in case of ethene we are getting 1,2-dibromoethane by reaction of bromine with ethene. This is the question number 2 and its fourth part. So we have to write the differentiation student like this way. Now come to the question number 3. In question number 3 we have the conversion. We have to convert some element into another element. First part, we have the conversion of ethene into ethane. This is the hydrogenation reaction. So look at the reaction. If we are adding two hydrogen atom or one molecule of hydrogen atom in the presence of nickel as a catalyst, and 200 to 300 degrees centigrade is temperature, then we are having ethane. Now come to the next part. In the next part we are having methane, and we should convert methane into carbon tetrachloride. As you know that this is halogenation, and this is the halogenation in diffuse sunlight because we are getting carbon tetrachloride. So this halogenation includes four reaction. Here we have to mention four reaction. Methane will converted into carbon tetrachloride through these four reactions, and these reactions are substitutional reaction because here we are removing hydrogen and adding halogen atom. At the last, carbon tetrachloride have removed all the four hydrogen of methane. So we have CCl4. Now come to the third part, convert ethene into glycol. This is the oxidation reaction of ethene. It could be happen in the presence of KMNO4. If we have two molecules of two molecules of ethene, it reacted with two molecules of KMNO4 in the presence of two molecules of water. We have oxidation reaction of ethene, and resultantly we are getting ethylene glycol plus 2MnO2 plus 2KOH. Now come to the fourth point, ethyl chloride into ethane. This is the preparation of alkane. When ethyl chloride react with nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc and HCl, we are getting ethane plus HCl. The last point, ethyl bromide into ethene. Here We are having ethyl bromide. We should have ethyl bromide and it should react with alcoholic KOH. We can use sodium hydroxide, but here we are using potassium hydroxide. Resultantly, we are getting the elimination reaction. We are getting ethene plus KBr plus water. This is the last point, last part of question number 3. Thank you, girls.